Hi everyone! Today we will explore how you can facilitate the integration between Freshservice and Jira seamlessly using IntegrateCloud app. Here you have two options. Either create a new Jira issue right from the Freshservice ticket or link the ticket to an existing one. To create a new Jira issue from Freshservice ticket, click New Issue item. Here you will need to select project name and choose the type of issue you want to create. It can be improvement, task, new feature, bug, epic, and many more. Let's pick the bug item. Here you will need to fill in the main information, such as assignee and reporter names, set priority, choose due date, add summary and description of the issue, attach files if needed, and in addition, here you can fill in the custom fields. And after that, click Create Issue. Now we can see that the issue has been created. To access the new issue directly from the Freshservice ticket, just navigate to the connector and click Refresh. The Notify feature allows you to add comments to the existing issue. Just select Jira issue item and add your comments, upload files if needed, and click Send. From Freshservice, you can also navigate to the issue itself in Jira by clicking on the name of the item in the connector. And finally, the item can be unlinked from the ticket after the click on the trash sign. Linking the ticket to the created issue is also super straightforward. You will just need to simply click on the Link to Issue button and then enter the Jira issue key. After that, the ticket will be linked to the issue. Again, to see it, don't forget to refresh the connector. As simple as that. To learn more, check out more videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at support@integratecloud.com or visit our help center at support.integratecloud.com.